In this video on operating the QD3000, we're going to look at the process for editing an existing recipe. We'll start at our menu screen. We'll transition to our job screen. If we want to select the recipe we are going to edit, we simply press the recipe box and we can select the recipe we're going to edit. I'm going to edit the corn pre 21, so I select that recipe. Same process if I was going to load and utilize that recipe. This case I want to edit it, so I am going to push the edit button at the bottom right. It's going to transition me to the edit recipe screen. And I've added a new tote that I want to add to this recipe. And so I've connected that tote to valve number 6. So I scroll across, I press tote number 6. I find the product that I want to use. I'm going to utilize the search feature and search for undercover. Just type in the first portion of it. It brings it up. I highlight it and select. That is going to add it. So now I have undercover and tote 6. And now I need to enter my rate and load order information. So I'm going to use this at 4.5 fluid ounces per acre. And I'm going to load this in position number 5. So I have now edited the recipe and added this undercover product. Push save, acknowledge. Now I can transition back to my job screen, review the recipe to ensure that everything is in the correct place and order. And then if I were ready to utilize that recipe, I can transition back to the run screen and I would press start in order to initiate the batch.